What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dude's Tech. If you're looking for a way to get a much closer look at the world around you, you'll want to check out the Rodsurant A12 binoculars. These are perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors and wants professional quality at a great price. Let's get started. The Rodsurant A12 binoculars are all about giving you a powerful and immersive viewing experience. Whether you're out in the mountains or at a live sporting event, these are designed to bring everything closer with incredible clarity. With 25 times magnification and 30mm objective lenses, you get an expansive field of view that stretches over 400 feet at a distance of 1,000 yards. This means you can easily track fast-moving wildlife or enjoy wide landscapes without constantly moving your head. What makes these binoculars special is the advanced technology inside the glass. They use high-quality BAK4 prisms and fully multi-coated lenses to ensure that almost 100% of light passes through. The result is a bright, sharp, and vibrant image every single time. Even if you are out in low light conditions, like during a cloudy day or at dusk, you will still see clear and transparent visuals that make your surroundings pop. We all know that outdoor gear needs to be tough, and the Rodsurant A12 definitely delivers on durability. They feature a rugged rubber-armored housing that protects them from accidental drops and scratches. Plus, they are completely waterproof and fog-proof. This sealed design prevents moisture from getting inside, so you never have to worry about your lenses clouding up when the weather takes a turn for the worse. They are built to handle the elements while staying lightweight and easy to carry on long hikes. For the creators and nature lovers out there, these binoculars come with some fantastic extras. You get a phone adapter and a tripod included in the box. This is a game changer because it allows you to attach your smartphone and take steady, high-definition photos and videos of things you see in the distance. It is a great way to capture a rare bird or a beautiful sunset and share it with your friends and family instantly. The design is also very user-friendly for everyone in the family. They feature flexible focusing adjustments that are easy to use whether you wear glasses or not. Because they are so portable, they are a great choice for both adults and kids who want to explore. From bird watching and hunting to traveling and concerts, these binoculars provide a dependable tool for anyone who is passionate about seeing the world up close. Don't miss out on seeing the world in a whole new way. Check the price link in the description to get your own pair today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Dude's Tech so you never miss our latest recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring!